Hello PHPers and WordPress theme developers, it's Bruce here, and this video is going to focus on installing an extension that's going to help you out with your WordPress development. So I'm going to go to extensions and I'm going to type in WordPress Snippets, upper left corner, WordPress Snippets. Now, which version of WordPress Snippets are we going to use, right? There's a lot of different versions, right? So just see that there's a lot of different versions here with different downloads. You want this one, 1.3.9, wpdevtools.io with 174,385 downloads. So install that, and what's going to happen now, right, is once it's installed, it's still installing, as you can see. All right, it's done. I'm going to close that tab. Whoops, I'm going to close that tab. And what's going to happen is when you start typing now in WordPress, notice you are getting all of the functions, right? WordPress functions that are, part of WordPress that are in the codex, right? The WordPress codex. They're there for you as type ahead right in Visual Studio Code. So again, I'll go back to that extension. So it's WordPress Snippet, this one right here. Get that one installed.